Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing competing memory so Roblox has room to run. First, close background apps and heavy browsers. This frees immediate RAM. Next, restart the Roblox client and your PC to flush temporary allocations. Once done, make sure Windows virtual memory is configured. Set the paging file to about 1.5 to 3 times your physical RAM, or let Windows manage it automatically. These steps remove transient causes and prepare for deeper fixes. Now you optimize both Roblox settings and the system to reduce sustained memory use. Lower in-game graphics, textures, shadows, and water quality to cut RAM and RAM usage. Then delete the Roblox cache folder in local app data to remove corrupted or bloated assets. Also uninstall plugins you don't need. After that, update your GPU drivers and switch Windows Power Plan to high performance to avoid aggressive throttling. These changes lower steady memory demand and make crashes far less likely. Finally, tackle persistent issues with targeted diagnostics and fixes. Run a memory test, Windows Memory Diagnostic or MEMTest 86, to rule out faulty RAM modules because hardware faults often cause warnings. Make sure you use the 64-bit Roblox client when possible and increase virtual memory if crashes continue. If problems persist, reinstall Roblox and test on another account or device to isolate corrupt installations or account states. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see warnings, swap RAM sticks or try single-stick boot to find a bad module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.